हेलो गाइस, रिदम लॉ में आपका स्वागत है और स्वागत है #डेली 5 मिनट्स में। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कॉमर्शियल लॉ की बिहार PCSJ प्रीलिम्स के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 हैज़ डन ए ट्रिमेंडस जॉब बाय प्रोवाइडिंग कंपनीज सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज ए मैंडेटरी एक्टिविटी। ए कंपनी हैज़ टू कंप्लाई विद मैंडेटरी CSR नॉर्म्स वेयर, और ये है करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। द टर्नओवर ऑफ द कंपनी इज INR 1000 crore इज मोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in negotiable instrument the great element of negotiability is the acquisition of the property by parties on conduct and not by another's. That is, if you take it bona fide and for value, nobody can deprive you of it. Which one of the following is the authority of this proposition? Correct answer is B. R versus Bank of England. Next question है, the Companies Act 2013 has provided that in listed companies, appointment of the independent director is mandatory and independent director will be appointed. Correct answer होगा from the data bank maintained for this purpose. Next question is, where an instrument requires endorsement and it has been endorsed, then what is the rule creating liability on it among the following options? Correct answer is A. Every endorser incurs liability to all the parties that are subsequent to him. Friends, endorsement से related एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है. Next question is, the law requires that every party to a negotiable instrument must be capable of contracting another according to the law of the contract. What happens when a minor becomes party to the instrument as a drawer or maker or endorser? Correct answer is B. The instrument is voidable and every party has right to declare it void. Next question है, which of the following option is not correct? A bill of exchange may have to be presented for acceptance before it is prescribed for payment. Presentment for the acceptance is necessary only where the drawer and the drawee have common interest in the presenting the bill for acceptance. Next question है, फ्रेंड्स ये सभी क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर में आ चुके हैं. नेक्स्ट है, ए सोल्ड द goods on credit to B and delivered the goods to the buyer's shipping agent who had put them on board a ship. Whoever the goods were returned to the seller for repacking. When the goods were still with the seller, the buyer became insolvent. The seller, being unpaid, refuses to return the goods. Examine the following options and decide the correct one. The correct is D. The seller will resell the goods and out of the sale proceeds will retain original price and refund to the extra to the original buyer. Next question है, Sohan, a fraudulent person posing himself a respectable person, purchased a valuable ring from Mohan, a shopkeeper, by giving him a check. The check was dishonored. फ्रेंड्स, चेक डिसऑनर्ड से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन बनता ही है. बट बिफोर द फ्रॉड कुड बी डिटेक्टेड, सोहन प्लेस द रिंग विद रोहन हु एक्टेड इन गुड फेथ एंड विदाउट नोटिस ऑफ सोहन्स डिफेक्ट ऑफ टाइटल. What is the correct position? The correct answer is B. Rohan's title to the ring is good against Mohan and Sohan. Hence, he will retain the ring. Next question है, in an agreement to sell the goods on the terms that the price is to be fixed by the valuation of a third party, but such third party fails to make the valuation. और अगर ऐसा होता है तो बायर और सेलर वैल्यूएशन नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. द बायर एंड द सेलर कैन नॉट मेक द वैल्यूएशन एंड द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिकम्स वॉइड. फ्रेंड्स, ये थे आज के क्वेश्चन. कल फिर मिलते हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट सेशन के साथ में. एंड फ्रेंड्स, कॉमर्शियल लॉ को अच्छे से पढ़ें. क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग है, कंफ्यूज कर सकते हैं एग्ज़ाम में. रिविज़न करते रहें. थैंक यू गाइस, बाय बाय. शेयर विद ऑल.